Hi, I'm Scott from KTF Software, and thanks to all your valuable feedback, we've now updated our free Pointcloud tool, which is available for BricsCAD V23 users. As in the previous version, we've got Define Crop Solid in the first panel. If you select an area of your point cloud, you can rotate it to your UCS, which is proving to be really useful. The box command is used to draw a 3D solid. BricsCAD Direct Modelling tools can be used on a 3D solid. It can be easily manipulated using push-pull. The Point Cloud Crop Solid tool is used to define which area of the point cloud that you need, and you can select anything inside or outside. In this example, we want the inside, and it generates a very nice crop of your point cloud. The great thing about this is that you can still adjust your crop very simply. Just click on the crop solid to see your point cloud crop settings. For instance, you can change the extrusion height as necessary, or you can change the elevation. We've added a nudge up button and a nudge down button, which has been a favourite feature of our users. You can extrude up or down, and it's slightly different from the BricsCAD tools in that it will keep the top face that you'll be drafting over at the same elevation. There's a settings tab so you can change the increments as necessary, or if needed, you can hard code the elevation for your top face if you want a specific thickness. A really amazing and useful new feature is Quick Crop, which works in a rotated UCS as well. Click Quick Crop, draw the width and length of your rectangle, and there's your crop. You can adjust your crop using push-pull. You can hide the solid, which helps when you're tracing. You can still use all the features, you just don't see the actual solid. If you need to use push-pull, you can simply show the solid again. You can turn the crop off and back on again. You can save crop states and give it a unique name. Any changes can be restored. We've also got some presets. On the point cloud display, we can hide the cloud, we can show the cloud, and if you're tracing, it's much nicer when the point cloud is on a locked layer, so we've added point cloud lock and unlock buttons. On the point cloud display tab, you can select max porous to minimize the density of the points, and you can return to default porous if needed. There's various fine-tuning, including reducing and increasing the point size or density, and you can turn off adaptive display. We have a Point Cloud eSnaps tab. Instead of going into the eSnap settings and 3D eSnap settings, you can quickly access the important ones here. Other useful tools include Add Spot Height. Just click on a point and the spot height is visible. There are command line options to add prefixes of your choice. Finish floor level, for example. You can also show this as a suffix if you prefer, or neither. There is an Add Door tool. You can pick the hinge side of the door, the latch side, and the swing direction. An exciting new feature of this latest version allows you to work in the vertical plane, so you can now trace elevations as well. Align the UCS to the front face of the solid using Entity Snap. And now the solid can be nudged along the Z-axis or use a UCS. The elevation can now be traced in plan view. So thanks for watching, thanks for all the feedback, and we really hope this tool is going to save you lots of time and money.